What's up, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day. Today I want to do something different. I seen out on YouTube last night. I was watching Bill from CJ Pony Parts, and this is the first video I've seen on an installation of the Roush Power Pack Level 2 kit for the 2015 through 17 Mustang GTs. So what comes in the kit is the Roush cold air intake, Roush axle back exhaust, and you get a tune from Roush. So it's about $1,500 from Roush. I've seen it go from anywhere from like $1,250 to that. So it's a pretty serious piece of kit because, you know, you bundle tune, intake, and exhaust all in one. So we're going to go over that because my car is actually fitted with that along with the SR Performance exhaust. So just picture mine as being a little louder and having about 2 or 3 more horsepower. But other than that, we're just going to kind of show you all what all comes in the kit. I'll show you the intake, the exhaust, and I can't show you the tune because my car doesn't actually have a tuner. It's just flash via a computer. But you plug it in the OBD2 port, and so other than that, we'll just kind of go over a few things about it, and hope you like it. So here up front we have the Roush cold air intake. So these intakes are actually cool. If you've watched any of our other videos, you'll see that the reason I found out this car is tuned is because in here, inside your MAF right here, there's actually a Venturi tube that you can install, and it makes it an 85mm MAF, so you don't have to run a tune. Well, mine has it removed, so it's 105mm. So it's a pretty big intake tube there. As you can see, it's a little over, it's about 4 inches. Really good size filter here, so pretty cool stuff from Roush there. But they claim, I think the Power Pack 1 with just the intake and a tune is like plus 25 rear wheel horsepower, so it's pretty decent. So I apologize for my car being extremely dirty. It's been raining quite a bit here lately, so but here's your Roush axle back exhaust. You can see it actually even says Roush right there, so you can see probably up under there. This one is welded, and so right there normally is where you would take the clamps and put over the stock exhaust on either side. So it makes for a nice throaty sound. The Roush, in my opinion, sounds best, that in the Corsa. But 4-inch tips here on the back look pretty good also, so there you go, there's that. So guys, with the Roush Power Pack 2, Roush claims an increase of 29 rear wheel horsepower and 35 or 36 rear wheel torque. So that's pretty serious gains. Something you should know though, to get the maximum benefit of this package, you do have to be in sport mode. So I guess in premium cars you can put them in Sport Plus or Track, and like my car's automatic, so you got to put it all the way down in sport mode. You can't just leave it in drive. And you can actually tell in sport mode it sharpens it up quite a bit, but it's really sweet actually. And so you can actually still retain your warranty with this if you pay like the $900 or whatever it is. So you say a stock GT is making 390, let's say 380. So you're making basically 410 wheel horsepower now. So that's pretty serious. So you're saying my car with X-Pipe between 415 and 420. So it's pretty good. I mean, 0 to 60 in 4.6 is no joke on the street. So hoping with my new wheel and tire setup here, I might get that down a little bit. But track season should start soon, so we should find that out pretty soon. Also forgot to mention, shout out to American Muscle for sending me that. They were only supposed to send me the bracket for that side over there. This one right here that goes on the bottom. But they actually ended up sending me a whole new kit for free. So shout out to American Muscle for that. Those are the MMD bolt-on hood struts. Do need to get my hood just realigned just a little bit. It's right through here. It's a little off, so to speak. It's not much, but it's just noticeable to me. Tip for these cars is normally about 50 miles an hour, so I mean, as you can see, these cars, I mean, everybody knows that Coyote Mustangs are pretty quick up top, but this Roush tune, this Roush Power Pack 2, it scoots along pretty well. But the low end torque is increased quite a bit over stock, between about 2,500 and 4,000. You can really tell, but up top is where, you know, these cars make all their power, so that's where they get going. But a 50 hit in second gear for at least with the 315 gears in this auto car seems to hit the best. But really impressed with this Roush Power Pack 2, especially for a warranty tune. It's not like it's going all out by any means, but hopefully soon I might get a VMP tune or something like that, maybe squeeze out another 10 rear wheel or so. But really impressed with this Roush Power Pack 2, and I'd recommend it to anyone who wants to make their 15 through 17 5.0 faster, but still wants to kind of retain their warranty and doesn't want to go too crazy. But other than that, guys, just another quick little video. Hope everybody enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're new.